Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you? Today we will hear the story of prophet who could understand the language of animals and birds. Prophet Suleiman, peace be upon him, had a great kingdom. Allah had given him the knowledge to understand the speech of animals and birds. One day the hoopoe bird came late. Suleiman asked, "Where were you?" The hoopoe replied, "I came from a land called Sheba. Its queen worships the sun. Please deliver Allah's message to her." Suleiman salam sent a letter through the hoopoe. When the queen heard the message, she recognized the truth and accepted Allah. Children, even a small creature can do the work of Allah. Allah has mentioned this story in the Quran. If you like the story, don't forget to subscribe and wait for the next one. Goodbye and may Allah protect you.